let's solve this very one. This question was given in Waec 1998 question 2. Given that log 2 base 10 equals 0.3010, log 7 base 10 equals 0.8451, and log 5 base 10 equals 0.6990. Evaluate without using logarithm tables. Roman figure 1 log 35 base 10, Roman figure 2 log 2.8 base 10. In B, given that n power 0.8942 equal 2.8, use your result in A Roman figure 2 to find the value of n. Okay, want to see now? Want to see? We have to start with A Roman figure 1. Okay, we have log 35. And for 35, we can have it as 5 times 7. Okay? Remember, under the laws of logarithm, addition gives multiplication. Now we have multiplication. We can then change it to addition, become log 5 plus log 7. Okay, we want to substitute now with the information we have. We have log 5, and log 5 is 0.6990, and log the one of log 7, we have it as 0.8451. Okay, we can add up 0 plus 1, we have 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. Put down 4 and carry 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. Plus that 1 is 14. Put down 4 again and carry 1. 6 plus 8 is 14. Plus that 1 is 15. Put down 5 and carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Plus that 1 become 1. Okay, we have 1.5441. It means that log 35 to the base of 10, okay, is going to give us 1.5441. You can use your calculator and check it. Just press the log of 35. You know that your calculator works with a common base of 10. Press the log of 35, you're going to have 1.5441. Okay? If you have done that, meaning we can move on to Roman figure 2. A Roman figure 2. Okay, let's solve this one. Okay, the one of Roman figure 2 is 2.8. And remember that the one of 2.8 can give us 28 over 10. And this one is now division. And division will result to subtraction. Because under the laws of logarithm, we look at subtraction law. And subtraction gives division. Now that we have division, we can then have it as 28, as log 28 minus the log of 10. Okay? Remember, log 10 is 10 give us 1. Logarithm to its own base. Please don't forget that. Log 10 is 10 give us 1. For this one, I can still have it as log 4 times 7. 4 times 7 gives 28. Here, I'm going to have 1. Okay, I can still have here, this one, I can still have it as log 4 plus log 7 minus 1. We are still working with base 10, base 10. Okay, for this one, log 4. For log 4 is 10, I can have it as log 2 squared, the base of 10, plus log 7 to the base of 10 minus 1. And with the information, we can still solve this. Okay, we can apply power law. I will change it to the back, become 2 log 2 to the base of 10 plus log 7 to the base of 10 minus 1. Okay, I can substitute now. With the log 2, we have it as, I have to introduce a bracket. Okay, log 2 will be 0.3010 plus log 7 will give us 0. I'm going to have 0.8451. Remember, we still have minus 1. Okay, we can apply BODMAS using the concept of BODMAS. You know, in BODMAS, bracket come first. I have to do this bracket. 2 times 0 giving 0, 2 times 1 will give me 2, 2 times 0, I will have 0 again, 2 times 3 will be 6. In this very one, okay, 2 times 0 will be 0. In this very one, I have 0.6020. Okay, I still have 0.8451 minus 1. Okay, we can add up. Okay, the next one is an addition from the concept of BODMAS. I can add. Okay, I want to add 1. 0 plus 1, I will have 1. 2 plus 5, I will have 7. And 0 plus 4, I'm going to have 4. I will have here as 4. Okay, 6 plus 8, I will have 14. I will have to carry 1. 0 plus 0, I will have 0. Plus that 1, I will have 1. Okay, minus 1. I will have to now subtract. Okay, if I subtract, I will have 0.4471. This will be the answer to this very one, log 2.8 base 10. Okay, you can still use your calculator to check it. Press the log of 2.8. You have this, you are going to have this. Okay, now the next question B says given that n power 0.8942 equal to 0.8, use your result in a math 2. Of course, the one we just solved. Okay, to find the value of n. And remember, we have this one as b Roman figure 3. And what is it there? We have n power 0.8942. Okay, equal 2.8. 2.8. We have to introduce a log of base 10 on both sides of the equation. We have to introduce it. I will introduce it here, the log of base 10 and the log of base 10. Okay, if I do that, I'm going to have log of base 10 on this very one, n power 0.8942. I'll also introduce it here, log of 2.8, then log of base 10, 2.8. Okay? Okay, now we can change this one using power, the change of power. For this one, we can apply change of power. I'll have to take it back. I will have 0.8942 log. I will now have log n to base 10 equal log 2.8. Remember, we have already obtained that. We're having 0.4471. Okay, we can now divide both sides by the coefficient of this very one, log n is 10, and the coefficient is 0.8942. I will have to divide both sides by this coefficient. Okay, when you do that, you are going to have log n is 10 equal 0.4471 divide 0.8942. And when you do that, you are going to have 0.5. 0.5. Okay, for this part here, I'm going to have n at the end when I resolve here. Remember, here I've taught you before this kind of situation. This one is a logarithmic equation with the is not balanced, you have to introduce a log of base 10 on this side. And when you do that, your final result is going to be n equal 10 power 0.5. Okay? And when you get your calculator, okay, when you press 10 power 0.05, you are going to have n equal approximately 3.162. That will be the value of n. That will be the value of n. This is how we resolve this problem. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to follow my page, like the page, David John Online Mathematics. You can also go for the one of YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. Subscribe. Thank you this very for coming to this platform. Thank you very much. All the best.